about it running out of batteries. I don't know how long the battery life is on this particular trail cam. We'll see what we got here. Game cam was a success, bro. I was definitely within range when I thought I was. It got the neighbors riding on horses, but we knew that horses were on the trail. And actually, what's interesting is the first night I didn't get anything at all. I got maybe some of the bugs moving in front of the camera, but no coyotes used the trail. So I'm really glad I left it up multiple nights, because if I had just left it up for a single night and then taken it down, I might have thought no coyotes use that trail, or they only use it once in a while. But from the other 2 nights, we know that they use that trail a little bit more frequently. The first shot I got was a coyote perfectly posed in front of the game cam, which I think is super sick. The second shot is him running away. Then I have nothing until the second night, in which we have a coyote running back towards the water towers, towards the nature preserve. And then the next shot is 2 coyotes running the other direction. So I think what the next step is to hike out towards the nature preserve. Probably not onto the nature preserve, but towards it, and set up a cam out there for 3-4 days. So I might do that today. Today's gonna be a little crazy. Here's my game plan for today. Ship out a couple of movies, get my oil changed, go to the gym, call the UCI Special Collections office in regards to a book that they just found, and see if they can scan it, or if I need to drive up there, because if I need to drive up there, then I'm driving up there. So I'm gonna be running around today. I'm falling apart, bro. I am falling apart.
He's got a cute face, huh? Mm-hmm. That's what I told him. He's so handsome.
I am heading out towards the nature preserve now. It's gonna be a little bit of a hike in, but it's okay. It's Monday, the coolest day of the week. It's about 90 degrees right now. Well, let's see what my watch says. 88. It's 88 degrees. It's the coolest day of the week. Wednesday, it's gonna be 108, and next Sunday, it's gonna be 109. So hopefully my game camera doesn't like melt or something. I don't know how these things do in extreme heat. New piece of gear. It's kind of like a Camelback, but it's Bass Pro brand. I've never had one. I got it when it was on sale. I think it cost me like 30 bucks, and I've never tried it. I was looking for the strap for my water bottle so I could just carry it around like a canteen, and instead I found this. So I said, you know what, might as well try it. Saw some California quail. I think they were quail. On the way out here, that's our state bird. Filmed a bunch of high school movies out here, all along the road over there, up at that cross. Filmed one of my very first short films there, along the road I'm standing on right now. All over this place. There's some matted down grass where I think coyotes have been. I mean, I don't know what else would mat down grass like that. So I'm gonna look for that area again. I mean, this was years ago too. Like, there's no telling if they're still there, if they've moved on. But it was a creek bed actually, so I think that might be a good spot to set up this game camera. You know, there's lots of cover in these creek beds. That's basically the only place where there's trees. Down some scat here. possible coyote. Look at that. Those could be some coyote prints. I am definitely seeing more of these prints. It's hard to tell now because I walked all over them, but I mean, wow, somebody's dropping logs out here. See, something along this trail would be fantastic. Problem is, I don't know where to set up my game cam. I suppose I could always set it up in a bush. I kind of don't want to do that. Set it low to the ground. And there is Scott. So we know they're out here. Look at this can. This right here probably dates back all the way to the original ranch. Look at this. Solid. And obviously this here is a newer fence. You know what? I might search this. Those are what I think they are. Those are tracks. No, those weren't footprints. Somebody's been biking through here. Dirt biking probably. Still looking for tracks though, and scat. I'm not seeing any of that. There's scat here. But yes, somewhere in here is where I found that matted down grass a couple years ago. Somebody left that here. This is the freshest scat I've found all day. The problem is finding some sort of shade for my game cam. I really don't think I'm gonna get any, but I think they use this trail, man. I'm gonna go up this way again, and I'm probably gonna set up my game camera somewhere up there. Might be a dirt biking path, but it doesn't mean the animals do not use it. Let's see, if I set it up here, facing that way, I'll film that. Anything that comes up this path, I'll film it. Setting it up to auto. 1 second delay. High definition resolution. I think it's 480, but there it is, all set up. And most likely gonna be capturing an image something like this. We'll find out in a couple of days. Just got out of Maverick 2. Just got out of Top Gun Maverick. What a blast of a movie, man. I feel hyped. They don't make movies like that anymore. It was just fun and it was cool. Good message. Bit heavy-handed, but in a good way. So I just left the University of California, Irvine, and was tracking down this sort of manifesto that was written by a guy named Everett Lee. He's a cult leader. He was a cult leader back in the 1940s, 50s, and 60s in Temecula. I don't want to get too much into that because it has something to do with a project I'm working on, so let's skip the details. But basically, traveling to UCI basically reminded me of everything I disliked about going to a university in the first place. Parking is $18. I was there for half an hour and I paid $18 for parking. here I am. It's Friday afternoon. I'm heading up to collect the game camera. I set it up on Monday afternoon. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 nights? Hopefully the game camera is still around. Hopefully no one stole it. Second of all, hopefully it didn't melt in the heat, because on Wednesday it was 109 degrees. And even right now, it's a crisp, very cool 95 degrees. Yeah, so we'll see. It's gonna take me a couple minutes to get up there, but we will see if the camera is still alive. Still here. Looks like it's still on. Yeah. Hopefully, we got some coyotes coming up the path. We'll find out here soon. Gotta get back to the house. I only managed to capture the last night. Technically in the morning, 4 a.m., the morning I picked it up, I caught a coyote using that path. I mean, obviously I didn't find any scat along that trail, so maybe they're just not using that. Or it could have something to do with the game cam being a foreign element in their environment, and they don't want to be, you know, they're probably cautious about it. They know it's man-made, probably. Probably find another place to put my game cam next week. Maybe try to do a hike of some kind. I'm not sure. This heat wave is unbearable. I mean, it's 10:30 and it's 97 degrees out. Like, bruh. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking, leave a comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time.